Miss Paul, I'm concerned about the escalating issue of extended breaks on the night shift. It's impacting patient care. Nurses are taking up to 45 minutes, sometimes even an hour, for breaks. This leaves patients unattended, and response times to call bells are delayed.
I understand your concern, Mihira. It's a delicate situation. We need to balance staff morale with patient safety. We've already implemented stricter break schedules, but it hasn't been entirely effective. There's also the issue of understaffing, which exacerbates the problem. We're exploring options like flexible scheduling and additional staffing during peak hours.
I appreciate the efforts, but we need a more immediate solution. Patients are suffering. Perhaps we could implement a buddy system where nurses pair up for breaks, ensuring constant patient monitoring. Also, stricter adherence to break policies, with consequences for violations, might deter people.
Mihira, a buddy system is worth considering. As for consequences, I'm hesitant to create a hostile work environment. We could try verbal warnings first, escalating to written reprimands if necessary. But let's discuss this further with the entire team. A collaborative approach is crucial.
Exactly. It's great to hear you've been keeping up with that. Mihira, I just want to remind you how important it is to take special care of your eye as it heals. When you go outside, be sure to wear your sunglasses. They're not just for comfort. They help protect your eye from bright light, dust, and potential irritation. It's also really important to avoid dusty or smoky environments as much as possible because those can slow down the healing process or cause complications. At home, please remember not to do any heavy lifting or strenuous activities, like bending over too much or carrying heavy items. These activities can put unnecessary pressure on your healing eye. Taking it easy right now will make a big difference in your recovery. In terms of your medications, I'm really glad you're using your eye drops. It's essential to stick with them as directed, especially the antibiotic and anti-inflammatory drops. Even if your eye starts feeling better, it's crucial to complete the full course to prevent infection and reduce inflammation. And if your eye feels itchy, which can happen while it heals, using artificial teardrops can help soothe that irritation. It's a safe and gentle way to keep your eye comfortable without rubbing or touching it.